Guys, MGNF, Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship. Thank you, Arnav, for sharing this information with me. So guys, if you come across any good thing like this, please do send me so you can inform everyone else. Plus, we can understand whether how good or bad this thing is. So, Mahatma Gandhi, IIM Bangalore and National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India is launching this program, which is a complete 2-year program. So let's check out the details of this new course. This is the website. I've given the details in the description box as well. So this is a program which is being launched. So this is a newspaper ad which Arnab saw and sent it to me. So now all the IIMs, early start, the main concept is the IIM Bangalore by IIM Bangalore, but now this is being launched by the other IIMs as well. We can see IIM Jammu as well, IIM Udaipur as well, IIM Nagpur. Yep, all the other IIMs coming together also to support this program. So that's a good news. Application is open till 27th of March. Yep, so we got another 1 month time to apply for this. So Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowships. So this is a program, name of the program is a certificate program in public policy and management offered by the IIMs. I mean, designed by the initiative of Ministry of Skills Development and Entrepreneurship, MDSC, and Government of India, and implemented in collaboration with the State Skill Development Missions, SSDMs. Okay, so this is the main agenda here. So duration of the 2-year full-time program. Eligibility, you have to be a bachelor, and there are 660 seats available. That's a good news. Number of seats are 660, so you have a very good chance to convert. The main advantage of this program, which I like the most, is that this is a mix of both classroom and experience. So 2-year program hosted by IIMs will give you the combination of classroom, academic modules hosted by IIMs and district level immersion. Yeah, this is the future which should be. This is what in India should be. All the engineers, BMS, BCom, there should be a heavy industry interface. Problem ये है कि in India, if you have seen 3 idiots, that we are creating trained, we are well trained, not well educated. So this is a fundamental issue which is going, but this program is excellent from that point of view. Interface is very good. Will be done in 660 districts across India and 9 IIMs. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Jammu, Kozhikode, Lucknow, Nagpur, Ranchi, Udaipur and Visakhapatnam. Separately with IIM Bangalore managing the common admission process. So main admission process will be handled by IIM Bangalore. Fellowship is a unique way to promote district level. So 660 district, one from every. Local language is important. So for example, I am from Punjab, I can speak Punjabi and Hindi. I might be able to apply for all the Hindi speaking or the Punjabi speaking places. Software ready to install कर लेंगे भैया, आपका software install कर लेंगे, रुको 2 मिनट. 2-year program which is a combination of your fellowship, classroom and the experience. Engage with the schemes and institution at the district level. I'm getting a very good feel of a TIS. TIS का MA program के type ही है ये. Yep, this is a complete funded program. Best part is you are getting stipend of 50,000 per month during the first year, and on the completion of this requirement for the first year, you will be getting 60,000 for the second year. So that's the best part. Normally, if you go to a Chota Mota B school, you are going to get a 50-60,000 salary.
Here are some results from.
ये प्रॉब्लम है गूगल की, गूगल अंकल की. He is taking my commands. So rather than going to a Chota Mota B school, I'm not yet comparing this with the main IIMs, SPJ and all the courses, JBIMS, SIDNAM. I'm comparing with the Chota Mota course. छोटे मोटे कॉलेज जाने से अच्छा ये करना अच्छा यार, because you're getting 50-60,000 per month का stipend. Prime requirement, you have to be a citizen of India. So Pakistani, Nepali, Bangladeshi are not allowed. ठीक है. Age between 21 to 30. You have to be any discipline, engineer, law, BCom, BMS, anybody can apply. 3 years of experience with secondary schooling in the social non-profit sector with interest in rural area preferred. With no work experience also will be done, but they want people who have a rural area का inclination. So that's something, the first negative point which I can feel is you have to have that thing. Not have to have, you should have interest. So अगर आपने कोई NGO में काम किया है वो सब दिखाओ, नहीं किया तो करो, so that you can do that. ability to express proficiency in the local language used by the state government. तो पंजाबी, हिंदी, उर्दू, wherever you are going, whichever state you are going for, वहाँ का local language जानना is very important. How to apply? You can apply by till 27th of March. So there will be a written test involved. MGNF exam, the closed book test will be conducted in the major capital cities of all the states and UTs. Okay, so there will be 4 sections. It look like more of a CMAT exam. General awareness section 100 question total. I assume 25, quant to 25, DI logic to 25, and verbal and reasoning to 25. So very similar to TISS exam, very similar to CMAT ka exam. So those are given CAT exam. GK is the only section I need to prepare more. Exam will happen on the 3rd week of April. Dates are official, dates are not yet out. You have to report the venue. So there's a negative marking as well in the paper. So that's a negative point. There's a negative marking. Followed by a personal interview and a case study assessment and the local language test to judge a candidate fitness. यार अभी पंजाबी में मेरे को बोलने को बोलोगे, आई कैन स्पीक पंजाबी, पंजाबी में आंदी है, बट इफ यू टेल मी टू राइट पंजाबी, दैट कैन बी अ मेन प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी. सो दैट्स अ सेकंड नेगेटिव पॉइंट व्हिच आई कैन फील. सी आई ऑलवेज कंपेयर विद मी कि इफ आई एम इन योर एज ग्रुप एंड इफ आई एम ऑलरेडी इन योर एज ग्रुप, मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा कोई बड़ा हूँ नहीं, 2-3 साल छोटा हूँ बस तो तुमसे एज में, बट देन वेदर आई शुड बी गोइंग फॉर देन आई ओनली रिकमेंड. Important dates point of view, 13th of Feb when the course started, closes on 27th of March. Admit card will be out on 1st week of April. Test date is 3rd week of April. Result will be out by last week of April. एक हफ्ते में result. And personal interview will be 2nd to 4th week of May. तो आपके IIMS की कॉल के साथ साथ ही हो जाएगा. Alright. The best part of this program which I like is the exposure you are going to get. Academic exposure at the IIMS top of the place, and then your experience at the district level. So based on that, I can say that this is the best part of this program. Yeah, first you have an academic thing, then you have a district level immersion. Okay, I put all these details in the description box, you can check it out. Each fellowship is assigned a mentoring team from IIM Bangalore. IIM का support आपके पास. So district level plan, employment, livelihood and entrepreneurship to promote your skills. And you will be learning management methods in public policy and economic development, soft skills to negotiate public admin, and skills and livelihoods. So these are all the good sides. On paper it sounds like a very good program, and of course I hope it will work in a good way as well to help the improvement of our district and the rural level or in the public policy. Now come the negative parts. So let's talk about the negative. Every good side have the bad side as well. So one major problem which I can see is that, sir, this is on completion of the course you are going to get a certificate in public policy and management. This is not the MBA degree. This is a certificate program. Yeah, this is not even a master degree. तो कल को आपको PhD करना है, कुछ काम नहीं आने वाला by the government of India. This is a good thing, but our audience, for example, those who watch my videos are normally going for MBA. So from the MBA point of view, TISS, MA is still okay, but this program will be a main problem. Okay, that is my point number 1. Again, name is not an issue. Even IIM Ahmedabad used to give a PGP ka degree. Fine, name is not the main issue. My main concern is what will happen after this. You are going to get 50,000 per month. Let's go to that slide, that page. Yes. So you are going to get 50,000 per month for this 2 years. 50,000 and next year 60,000, which is very good. Perfect. What about after that? If you do this course, you are closing up your gates to all the corporate world. ICICI Bank, all these places will be very difficult for you to work. Where you can get a job in IRMA type, the colleges which are coming for IRMA. You can go to the corporate world but working for the rural area. If you want to become a entrepreneurship, they are promoting that you create employment, not get employment. So if you want to work in corporates, if you want to work in that kind of environment, I'm sorry, this might close your gates. Because again, if you go back to the corporate world, they ask you the first question, तुमने फिर ये कोर्स क्यों किया था? why you want to come back to us. So that can be main problem. Okay, that is my second problem. If you're interested in rural social services, wonderful, go for it. This is the best course for you. But then be prepared to work at the district level. Okay. Now come my last thing. What about the placement? There is no placement. This program does not offer any placement. अगर होता तो वो साइट पर लिखा होता, वो सबसे पहले वही लिखा होता कि हम आपको प्लेसमेंट देंगे. Yeah, there is no placement. You have to develop the skills and then start some entrepreneurship program. Or maybe government organization can absorb you as a non-government employee. Yes, government bodies do hire non-government staff to help them in projects, so you can work there. But तुम्हें खुद job ढूंढना पड़ेगा. So if you're looking for a corporate job, I'm sorry, this is not the program for you. If you're genuinely working, want to do this thing, want to promote education in India, want to work as a social cause, wonderful, go for it. Alright, how you feel about this program? Do comment. Yeah, I'll be more than happy to make part 2 of this video. Alright, all the best.